Okay, well, here's what I showed you before. It was the trunk or whatever. See my reflection? Here's still a part that's dull. Let's see if you can tell a difference here by the thing. But, to show you the side I did do. You can see me. Clear. Word. Now, here's the side I did not do. You can still see me, but I'm trying to find a place where. Here's the hood and stuff. Okay, see where I did it and then where I didn't. And let me go this way. See the difference? It's half and half.